Hey everyone, good morning. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 13 reasons why you should learn Python programming, because most probably my upcoming videos are going to be related to Python programs, because I had started Python programming tutorial long back, and then students started asking for other programming videos such as distributed database, and then we had digital image processing and all of that. So I'm trying to I'm trying to find different days for different videos, because I'm working as well, so I have to really find time for the videos. So let's see. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you a few reasons, 13 reasons why you should learn Python programming, because I find many of my very new students, they were very confused if they should start learning Python programming, because they are completely new to this programming world. So I really wanted to give you a very solid reason if you are planning to learn Python programming. So if you're new to programming, the number one reason you should start Python programming is because it is very simple. If you're new to programming and don't know ABC of programming, you should start with it. Code is very simple. There is no declaration of variables. It is open source, so you can easily download it. So you should start learning Python programming. If you are new to programming and you don't know where to start, Python programming is the best choice. Second reason is the community of Python programming. So if you are starting with Python, you will get plenty of sources and communities to help you teach this language. And I have my own playlist of Python programming, and I started that playlist when I was learning Python, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did learn it, so you can check that out. And there are several other communities on the internet as well. So you really get good help from these communities. You can share your ideas, you can ask your questions. You can always ask your questions in the comments in the video. For the videos that I upload, I'm always asking you to post your questions, so you can also ask your questions there. All right, third reason is the facilities that Python programming provides. So it provides libraries and modules, and it offers many libraries and frameworks and modules and classes for different needs. So which also leads me to my fourth reason. Python programming is used in machine learning, and I'm sure you know that machine learning is growing phenomenally. Algorithms are a huge part of it, and Python has helped in creating those algorithms effectively, very effectively. And even though there are other languages supporting machine learning algorithms, Python offers huge content for the growth in machine learning. And reason number 5 is it is not only used in machine learning, it is also used in data science as well, another exciting field apart from machine learning. And the reason is the same. Python libraries and frameworks are used in data science as well. And reason number 6, what if you're not into machine learning or data science, you're interested in web development? Well, guess what? Python is used for web development as well. It offers Flask and many other frameworks. You can check the same in my Python tutorial playlist. I will share the link in the description or in the iCards or at the end of this video. Okay, another reason to start learning Python is the automation of tasks. So Python allows you to write scripts and use them over and over, kind of for automation task. And yeah, Python is also a scripting language and a programming language as well. And Reason number 8 is very obvious. It is used in many fields. So it is multi-purpose language, and it is used in machine learning, it is used in data science, it is used for big data, it is used for web development, robotics, scientific computing, etc., etc. Alright. Reason number 9 and 10 would be jobs and salaries. So due to its growth and growth of fields it is used in, it offers huge scope when it comes to jobs. So if you have good understanding of this language, opportunities are endless. And reason number 10 is related to reason number 9. So if you are getting good jobs with this language, it also means you are getting high paid profiles and average salaries based on the experiences. And for newcomers, the salaries range from $70,000 to $150K. Okay, I am really sorry for the background noise. Reason number 11 is that it is portable, so you don't have to be worried about your operating system. You can use it on any operating system. There are cross language functions that Python offers. So for example, in my early so when I started Python programming tutorial, I was using Unix or Linux, I'm not even sure. I was using virtual VMware to run my Python programs, and then I started using the IDLE specifically for Windows. Okay, alright. Reason number 12 is one of my favorites. So I learn a lot, I love learning a lot about IoT, that is Internet of Things, and Python is used in these projects. If you don't know what IoT is, you can check one of the videos. I'm going to share the link at the end of this video, and it is used in Internet of Things as well, so that's pretty exciting also. Reason number 13 is it offers integration. So that means you can use it with Java, you can use it with C or C++ libraries, you can also use it with .NET. So there is room, it offers these kind of, there's a lot of facilities, you know, and these lot of services and frameworks and libraries and modules, and all these reasons, reasons that I shared here were it is portable, it can be used for IoT, and it also provides facility to integrate it with other frameworks. These were my top 3 reasons, right? And I've shared all the reasons why you should start learning Python programming. I really hope it answered your question. Thank you for the email, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.